Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the damaged screw closely so you know what method to use and why. If the head is stripped or threads are chewed, different tactics apply. Once you've cleared debris and ensured good light, drill a small pilot hole centered in the screw. This gives the extractor purchase. Make sure to use the appropriate extractor size, clamp the workpiece or secure it in a vise, and keep the drill speed low to avoid further damage. This first action sets up everything that follows. Next, transition to removal tools. Try a left-hand drill bit first because it can back the fastener out while drilling. If that fails, switch to a tapered screw extractor. Once done with drilling, insert the extractor and turn it counterclockwise with a tap wrench. This bites the metal and unscrews the damaged fastener. Make sure to keep steady, increasing torque gradually. If the extractor slips or breaks, stop and reassess, because forcing it can make things worse. Finish by cleaning the hole and testing fit with a matching screw. If threads remain usable, run a tap to restore them. Once you've removed the screw, inspect for material loss and consider using a helicoil or oversized fastener if threads are compromised. Make sure to apply anti-seize or thread locker as required when reassembling. Troubleshooting tip: if an extractor snaps, stop immediately. Drill out concentric to the broken tool.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.